Hi everyone, today I will compare in between Solidworks and Fusion 360, which CAD software is better in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Solidworks, developed by Dassault Systems, has long been the gold standard for mechanical design. Its robust parametric modeling, advanced simulation tools, and comprehensive assembly capabilities make it a favorite among engineers tackling complex projects. Solidworks excels in precision, making it ideal for industries like automotive, aerospace, and heavy machinery. On the other hand, Fusion 360, by Autodesk, offers a cloud-based integrated platform, combining CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB design. Its user-friendly interface and real-time collaboration features cater to both professionals and hobbyists. Fusion 360's versatility shines in product design, 3D printing, and rapid prototyping, making it a go-to for startups and makers. When it comes to performance, Solidworks provides unparalleled depth for detailed engineering tasks and large assemblies. Fusion 360 offers flexibility and accessibility, with seamless updates and cross-platform compatibility. So which should you choose? If you're an engineer requiring advanced tools for intricate designs, Solidworks is your ally. If you value collaboration, versatility, and a unified platform, Fusion 360 is the way to go. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and workflow.